What's happening there, guys, and welcome back to our channel. James Jamie Spears, Spears' former estranged father, has been in charge of the conservatorship overseeing her life since 2008. After a turbulent 2008 that culminated in a 5150 involuntary psychiatric stay, some have attributed a conservatorship with helping Spears rebuild her career. Since then, Spears has released successful albums, toured the globe, and starred in a Las Vegas residency. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 5. Spears' testimony. Spears said in her testimony that her father and other people hired to manage her life and business had made her work non-stop. She even went so far as to equate her 7-day non-stop work week to sex slavery. Spears, who also has Jody Montgomery as her personal conservator, said that she was given lithium prescriptions against her choice and told she couldn't get married, have more kids, or have her IUD removed. Spears' statement seemed to corroborate all the questions that the pop star's followers in the hashtag Free Britney campaign had concerning the nature of her conservatorship. The movement's beginnings can be traced to fans Tess Baker and Barbara Gray, who started the Britney's Gram podcast in November of 2017. It quickly developed into a group of devoted followers who frequently attend court appearances in support of Spears and scan her social media for any hints as to how the pop star may actually be feeling. While their public campaign has been going for some time now, it dramatically gained momentum and expanded public awareness in 2021 as a result of a large documentary, released court records, and Spears' personal testimony. While ex-boyfriend Justin Timberlake was forced to apologize for the manner he encouraged tabloid coverage of Spears following their separation, Spears' other pop stars, including Pink, Christina Aguilera, and Mariah Carey, have all come out in support of her. Number 4. Documentary of Spears. Framing Spears on Hulu will debut Britney Spears. The film, which was directed by Samantha Stark, gave one of the most thorough depictions of Spears' career and conservatorship. It looked at Spears' tumultuous connection with the media, how it affected her unpredictable 2008, and how her somewhat estranged father, Jamie Spears, returned to the scene that year to take on the role of conservator for Spears. The movie also examined the hashtag Free Britney movement's ascent and made the case that those in charge of Spears' 13-year career may not have always had her best interests at heart. Sam Asghari, Spears' long-term lover, slams Jamie Spears on Instagram after the documentary screaming, calling him a real jerk. He also makes a statement to People, stating, "I will continue to support my better half in chasing her aspirations and building the future she deserves." Number 3. Financial rights. Jamie Spears, Britney Spears' father, was removed as conservator of her $60 million fortune by a court. Judge Brenda Penny said, "I think the suspension of James Spears is in the best interest of the conservatee, Miss Britney Spears. The situation is unacceptable right now." Jamie Spears was fired by Judge Penny, who also gave the go-ahead for Spears to choose John Zabel, a certified public accountant, to take over management of her money when her conservatorship comes to an end. An order that had previously named the organization Bessemer Trust as a co-conservator of Jamie Spears' estate was overruled by a probate court. In November of 2020, Bessemer was chosen as a co-conservator at Spears' request. It's no secret that Spears doesn't want her father to be a co-conservator, but we know that removal is a different matter, said Spears' attorney Samuel Ingham III during the hearing in February of 2021. "I didn't see the documentary, but for what I did see of it, I was humiliated by the light they portrayed me in," Britney Spears said in her first public response about framing Britney Spears on March 31st on Instagram. "I saw it for 2 weeks, and I still weep sometimes." According to a revelation in the New York Times based on previously secret court records, Spears had been opposing the conservatorship more often and for a longer period of time than was previously known. The records also show that, far earlier than previously thought, Spears had begun doubting her father's suitability to act as her conservator. Number 2. Spears' protests. Spears criticizes her conservatorship harshly in court. Spears said that she didn't realize she could ask the court to revoke her conservatorship along with her allegations of forced labor and abuse. She said that her court-appointed attorney, Ingham, had also advised her not to divulge specifics of her experiences in public. "All I want is my money to be mine and want it to be over. Moreover, I want my partner to be able to drive me in his automobile, and to be really honest," she replied, "I want to be able to sue my family." Jamie requests an investigation into the allegations Spears made at her hearing on June 30th. In addition, on requesting the investigation, Jamie's lawyers also submitted a series of papers disputing aspects of Spears' evidence, including the extent of Jamie's influence over the conservatorship. For instance, the documents claimed that since September of 2019, Jody Montgomery, Spears' personal conservator, had been totally in control of Miss Spears' day-to-day personal care and medical treatment, not Jamie. Number 1. Petition for Spears. The petition was a tremendous legal triumph for Britney Spears, as well as vindication, according to her attorney Matthew S. Rosengart. Mr. Spears has now essentially surrendered, he said, having disclosed his misbehavior and inappropriate plot to keep his daughter hostage by seeking to collect a multi-million-dollar payment. There isn't a deal in place. Mr. Spears is mistaken in thinking he may attempt to evade responsibility and justice by refusing to take a sworn deposition or respond to other discoveries under oath, and our inquiry into financial mismanagement and other concerns will go forward. And that about wraps up this video, guys. So let us know your thoughts about this whole thing in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed our video, then let us know by giving it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos from now on. We appreciate your time and interest in viewing this video, and until the next one, take care and goodbye.